Hello, I'm Stacy Moore with Institute for Applied Ecology. Your backyard is full of gorgeous birds. Come walk with me in my backyard and learn about these fascinating creatures. Pay special attention to their feet and their beak to learn about what they eat and how they live in their habitat. Grab your hat and your binoculars if you have them. Come on, let's go. Have you seen wild turkeys in your backyard? Look at their long legs for scratching in the grass and running. House wrens have small beaks for catching insects. They make their nests of sticks in hollows in trees or in bird boxes. Mourning doves are an abundant bird found in both North and South America. They lay 1 to 2 eggs in a soft nest. Doves make a soft cooing sound that might be mistaken for an owl. Hummingbirds have slender bills and long tongues for eating nectar from flowers. They can fly 2,000 miles during their migration from South America in winter and North America in summer. The rufous hummingbird can flap its wings at 52 wing beats per second. Cliff swallows have small beaks for catching insects in the air. What are their nests made of? Barn swallows have long wings and a small bill for catching insects in the air. They are the most widespread swallow in the world. They love to make mud nests in, you guessed it, barns. The male house finch is bright red to attract females. You might see them at your feeder eating seeds. Grosbeaks have large, strong bills for cracking nuts and seeds. The males are bright yellow and the females a duller color. Can you find the female grosbeaks in this video? What bird surprises might you find in your own backyard? Wait, here's an unusual bird, the Willamette Valley albatross. If you search hard, you might find the rare yellow-backed duckling nearby. I encourage you to explore your neighborhood or nearby parks to discover what birds you might see or hear. I hope you enjoy our feathered friends as much as I do. Here are some fun activities for you. Get a piece of paper or notebook and write down or describe all the birds that you see in your backyard. Here's an artistic activity for you. Create your own bird. Think about a habitat. It could be a desert, a forest, even the moon. Draw a make-believe bird. showing its specialized beak for getting its food. What types of wings and feet does it have? Give your bird a name. Here's mine. It's the cactus eater. It has long legs for getting to the top of cactus and a sharp beak for piercing the cactus for food. Take care and let me know what birds you discover in your backyard.